Hello guys, welcome back in new topics. How to earn money from YouTube channel without monetization. It is possible to earn money from a YouTube channel without monetization. Yes, it is possible. If you are a YouTube content creator, then maybe you have at least one thought about how to make money without monetization. You may have tried a lot of monetization YouTube even after completing the milestone, but you are not getting approval. Again, your channel may have a lot of views but no monetization. Today I will share with you without YouTube AdSense, that is how you can earn income without monetization. Creators from other countries usually give more priority to affiliate marketing, sponsorship, on merchandise, and paid review. Most of the content creator of our country consider absence as their only source of income, but with the following method, you can earn 6 times more than absence. First of all, affiliate marketing. You must have heard the name of marketing. If you have a good trusted customer, then you can easily influence your audience by referring them with your YouTube video. You know what, YouTube is one of the most popular platform to creating affiliate traffic. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the digital process through which an authorized person or company earn a commission from marketing their product. A promoted finds the product he or she wants, they promote the product, and they make a profit from each sale. Sales are tracked from one website through the authorized link to another website. To do this, all three parties must be involved: seller and product manufacturer, approved or advertiser means you, consumer and customer. Some of the popular affiliate marketing sites are Amazon affiliate, eBay partner, ClickBank, Commission Junction, etc. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more updates or new video.